NETGEAR Nighthawk AX12 AX12 Wi-Fi 6 Router, RAX120, AX6000 wireless speed, up to 6 Gbps, 3500 feet. Coverage. Click the link below for more info and get special discount offer. Works with all internet providers. Replace your existing Wi-Fi router, separate modem or gateway required. Compatible with any internet service provider up to 2 Gbps including cable, satellite, fiber, DSL and more. Easy to set up and manage, connects to your existing cable modem and sets up and customizes in minutes with the Nighthawk app. Easily manage your Wi-Fi settings at the device and network level. Test your internet speed, view speed history and monitor data usage. USB connections, share a storage drive with any connected device and create a personal cloud storage to access from anywhere using the 2x 3.0 USB ports. Advanced cyber threat protection. NETGEAR Armor, powered by BitDefender, is network-wide antivirus, anti-malware, fraud phishing ransomware security on an unlimited number of devices and network data protection for $69.99 per year with a 30-day free trial. Wired Ethernet ports, plug-in computers, game consoles, streaming players and other nearby wired devices with 4x1G and 1x of 0.55G Ethernet ports. Wi-Fi 6, stream everything at epic speed, simultaneously stream uninterrupted movies, games, video calls or download transfer files at 6 Gbps Wi-Fi speed. Works with existing and new Wi-Fi 6 devices like iPhone 11, Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy S10. Loaded with advanced technology, designed with a 2.2 GHz quad-core processor, OFTMA, MU-MIMO, Dynamic COS, 1024 cam, Smart Connect for One Wi-Fi name, beamforming technologies and Amazon Alexa voice control. Supports WPA2 WPA3 wireless security protocols. Includes guest Wi-Fi access, DOS, firewall, VPN and more. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.